Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a small TJ Maxx Home Goods video and Bath and Body Works haul, guys. So let's get started first with TJ Maxx because I only bought 3 little items. Oh my god, they have so much beautiful things. Dishes and household items, Easter, spring stuff, beautiful. Home decor, candles, they got wreaths, they have blankets, they have everything. And I mean a lot of beautiful things. Oh my god. So anyway, TJ Maxx is like one of my favorite stores. Oh my god. But anyway, I just decided to pick up one of these big boxes here. This is aromatherapy essential oils. And these are nice different fragrance of oils. I like to put this in my air diffuser machine. Because I bought this air diffuser machine that lights up all rainbow colors. And it changes colors. And it shoots up all the water with the fragrance in the air. And it's beautiful. It's like a night light. And it stays on for hours and hours and hours. And it turns off on its own. And I like to use them at night. Right next to my bed. And while I'm on my phone. Exploring YouTube. And, you know, doing my stuff. And I like to have the fragrance oils. So I decided to pick up this big, nice set. You get 12 bottles in here. And this one was $15. It was $14.99. And then also at TJ Maxx, I picked up this big, beautiful... I love their big, beautiful soaps. Now, these are pricey. They're like $5 a bar. But I love them anyway. They're nice and very thick. Really fragrant. And I love to smell good. I like to have all kinds of fresh... beautiful smelling things. So this one here is, let me see if it zooms in. It won't zoom in. Mom something. I think this was for Mother's Day. They have like a whole bunch of different fragrances and different stuff. It smells very fresh. I can't explain it. Something like fresh cotton and flowers. I can't explain it. So I don't know if you can see what it says there, guys, but I can't. The flash is so bright. And then I decided to pick up this beautiful, gigantic, big square bar of fresh lemon. Now, this smells just like straight fresh lemon. Like if you're soaking in a million things of lemon. Oh, my God. It smells so good. This will make your whole bathroom smell so good. I love soaps like these. From, you know, imported from Italy and different places. The best, yo. So this is what I picked up at TJ Maxx. So now let's go to Bath and Body Works, guys. Now for Bath and Body Works, they have like a whole bunch of new spring and a few summer things coming out. And I picked up a whole bunch of stuff, guys. So anyway, I don't use coupons and none of that stuff. I did have a coupon and I did have another coupon for free stuff, but I couldn't find it. So I just went over there anyway and bought it straight out. So I bought a whole bunch of hand soaps first. I love these hand soaps. This is the Black Cherry Merlot. Now this smells so good. If you love Black Cherry, you'll love this one. This is very good. I tried it in the past. I love the smell of this. So I got that hand soap. And then also I picked up this hand soap. See if it's zooming in, guys. Kitchen lemon. Okay, so this is a kitchen lemon, just plain lemon scent. I love lemons. Sorry if you hear like snorkeling in the background. That's my dog. Snorkeling and sneezing like a... You sound like a pig. All right, now I got this hand soap. This one is Fuji White Sands. And it's all white. Whoops. It's all white. And I believe I tried this one before. I'm not 100% sure. I buy so much stuff from there, I can't even remember. And then this hand soap I picked up at Bath and Body Works. This one is Fresh Cut Lilacs. Oh my God. Now, who doesn't love lilacs? I love lilacs. Very fresh spring. That's an Easter flower, just like a hyacinth. Oh my God, I love lilacs. So I had to pick that one up. Then I got this hand soap. This one is, let's see. Okay, Cucumber Lily. So this one's Cucumber Lily. That one. And then I picked up this hand soap from Bath and Body Works. This one is, let's see if it zooms in. Zoom in, guys. Endless Weekend. So this is a nice blue one. I think I bought this one before, but I just like the nice packaging of this. It's really nice. And I know these are pricey. I could buy soap anywhere, Dollar Tree, Dollar Zone. You could buy soap anywhere. You can even use bar soap. You can use soap anywhere. I just love to use these. And sometimes if I find a fragrance like really, really good, I was like, oh my God, it smells so good. And you know, hand soap will go quickly. I would take it and use it in the shower, and I would use it as a body wash. So that's what I would do. I love that stuff. And then I bought 5 fragrances. As you buy 3, you get 2 free. So I picked up this new one. They also have a plain coconut one, and then they also have a citrus one. I decided to pick up raspberry tangerine because I love raspberries, and who does not love tangerines? So that's a perfect fruity combination. Don't know what it smells like, but I know it's fruity and I know it smells good. And a lot of people said it's really good. So I picked up this raspberry tangerine body spray. And then, oh my God, this was new. Love the bottle. Looks crystal at the bottom. Love this. Check it out. Fresh cut lilies. Lilacs. It's just like that hand soap. The lilacs, oh my God. I tried the tester. It smells just like lilacs. No joke. Fresh and beautiful. I had to buy 2 of those. I love lilacs. So I bought 2 of those. They even have a lot of new Oasis Ocean men's line, or a new aromatherapy line for men, and the perfume, like the men's cologne, men's lotion, men's body wash, the creams, everything. And in the aromatherapy line, like the actual regular, you know, the eucalyptus aromatherapy line, they also have the big bar soap now. I think it was like $9.50 for 1 bar. It's a nice big white bar, aromatherapy. Oh my God. So they have a lot of new stuff coming out. And then this one here is the new one. It's called Sunshine Mimosa. Oh my God. I smell this. Real fresh, fruity, flowery. It's a nice, really pretty smell. I thought it was smell. When I tried it, the tester, it smelled so freaking good. I had to buy that. And then the last one I decided to pick up was this pretty one. This one is called Hickabis Paradise. Hickabis Paradise. So I'm not sure what this fragrance will smell like. It might be tropical, it might be fruity, flowery. I'm not 100% sure on this one. I didn't test this one out. I just bought it for the packaging, something different and new. I don't have this one. So I was really happy to have this. Now I have a whole bunch of perfumes. I have maybe a couple thousand bottles. And in my Bath & Body Works collection, I have maybe 200 left, I think. I have honeysuckle. I got the beach one. I got Moonlight Path and all the really good ones. Oh my God. But I had to get these. So especially the 2 lilacs. Oh my God. These are new. And they also have other new ones I'm not too crazy about. But they have a lot of nice candles. A lot of nice hand sanitizers. All kinds of really cool stuff. So check out your Bath & Body Works. They still have the sale going on. You know, like they usually have all the time, the 6 for $26 and buy 3 get 2 free. That includes the men's too. The only thing that's not on sale like that is like the aromatherapy line or candles. Certain things. They have candles on sale, but it's not like buy 3 get 2 free or not like that. That's usually like with body sprays or mix and match, like the shower gels, the lotions, the body sprays, you know, things like that. But I love Bath & Body Works stuff. Yeah, and the soaps. They last. I love their soaps. I love the creamy ones and the ones with the beads in it more than I do the foamy soaps. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this Bath & Body Works haul and my TJ Maxx haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more soon again, as always. And like I always say, be safe out there, guys, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.